Sagar Institute of Research and Technology Bhopal has earned an overall rating of 4 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. Let's dive into a detailed review of the BTech program offered here, starting with its placements rated 3.8 stars. In the 2023 placement drive, 150 companies visited the campus, including notable names like Tata Administrative Services, Value Labs, Antino Labs, Gridbots Technologies, Smart Sense Solutions Private Limited, and Brio Energy. The roles offered spanned software development and consultancy. The majority of the satisfied feedback comes from CST students, while other specializations indicate a need for improvement in placements. The highest package offered was 25 lakh per annum by the Tata Administrative Services, while the average package stood at 3.5 lakh per annum. When compared to the nearby institutes like Rabindranath Tagore University and Lakshmi Narayan College of Technology, the average package at LNCT is higher than both, while SIRT is similar to RNTU. SIRT offers internship opportunities with top companies like Google, Microsoft, TCS, and Walmart, typically in the third year, with some being paid. Moving on now to academics, where SIRT offers a 4-star rated BTech program with 9 specializations, including Computer Science and Information Technology, Computer Science and Business Systems, and Computer Science and Cybersecurity, with a total seat intake of 1,080 students. Admission is based on JEE main scores with MPBE counseling, with eligibility requiring a 50% aggregate in class 12th. Looking at the 2023 JEE main closing ranks, competition has eased across all specializations since 2022. Computer Science and Engineering remains the most competitive, followed by Mechanical Engineering. The total fees is approximately 5 lakh rupees for 4 years. Switching gears to the 4-star rated infrastructure. SIRT, located on a 25-acre campus in Bhopal, is easily accessible by bus, train and air. The campus features modern classrooms, a well-stocked library and well-equipped labs, including computer, software, network and database management system labs. Industry-supported labs are also available. The institute offers separate hostels for boys and girls, though students find the mess food average, while the canteen food is appreciated. The sports complex is fully air-conditioned and equipped with high-class gym facilities, and it offers modern amenities for badminton, table tennis and yoga. Outdoor facilities include playgrounds, stages and an open theatre. Turning to faculty and course, which have received a 4.1-star rating. Students share that the faculty is experienced and helpful, and before the final semester exams, there are 2 internal exams, a midterm exam and a pre-university test. SIRT offers facilities for creating live projects to provide practical exposure. The campus is equipped with additional components, apparatus, training models, and teacher assistants to support these projects. The institute organizes frequent industrial visits to help students enhance their knowledge and skills. SIRT has signed MOUs with institutions like the Raj Institute of Coding and Robotics Bhopal, Saksham Digital Technology, CRDT Technology Private Limited, and Sherian's Coding School. Moving on now to the 4.1-star rated campus life. SIRT has 10 student-run clubs, including those of Team of Innovators, Corporate Social Responsibility, Art and Craft and Sports. Additionally, various events, fests and workshops are organized throughout the year, such as the Techno Saga and Expert Talks, including a workshop on new age computation and artificial intelligence using Power BI. Lastly, SIRT is currently unranked by the NRF. For more details on Sagar Institute of Research and Technology Bhopal and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.